What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the classic Coca-Cola 6-can portable fridge mini cooler for food, beverages, basically anything you want to keep cool for use at your home, office, or maybe in your motorhome or in your car for whatever reason. Say if you're going camping. I picked up at Walmart for $29. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4.5 out of 428 customer reviews. This cooler does come in 5 different colorways. You can pick it up in this really cool Coca-Cola Zero colorway. The fridge is sort of black and has the Coca-Cola Zero logo on the front. You can of course get it in this classic Coca-Cola livery with the Coca-Cola bottle on the front. It comes in this Diet Coke livery, which is a silver color with the Diet Coke logo on the front. It comes in this really cool sort of acid green Sprite livery. Second to last, it comes in this orange color with the Fanta logo on the front. So yeah, it's like orange Fanta, everyone's favorite Fanta, right? That's definitely my favorite, besides grape and then probably, I don't know, pineapple? Do they have a pineapple? I'm pretty sure they have a pineapple. And then last but not least, you can pick up the Coca-Cola 4-liter 6-can portable mini fridge. This one's probably my favorite cooler out of the bunch. You can get that fridge for about $48. That's a bit of a snag, I would say, that each fridge, you know, livery costs a different color, costs a different price. That being said, if you're interested in this retro looking fridge, because it is a retro looking fridge, and the reason I know that is because there's actually another fridge underneath this one as a suggestion on Walmart's website. So if you're interested in this style but don't want the Coca-Cola or the Sprite or the Budweiser or the Fanta, then you can actually go and check out the Uber Appliance UBCH1. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out, maybe if you like this retro look. You can tell by the box that this is a pretty classic, nifty little item here. It does say Coca-Cola Classic Thermoelectric Cooler on the front. As you can see, you get a pretty good idea of how many cans the fridge holds on the front of the box. Yes, it can hold 6 cans, but also what I've noticed is it looks like it comes with a shelf on the inside, so that's pretty nifty. I'm wondering if you can do the same with this fridge and remove the shelf. On the box, it does come with DC and AC connectors, so you can either plug it into the wall at your desk, or like I said, if you've got like a motorhome or an RV. Yeah, oh, actually, to answer my question from earlier, can you take that shelf out? And yes, you can. As you can see, you've got 6 cans stacked on top of one another. I guess that kind of defeats the purpose of this video, and we'll just lift off the top of the box here. What's really nice is in the box, you do get some information. So this is the Coca-Cola brand cooler. It does say Coca-Cola brand on this pamphlet here. I think you guys can see that. Yeah, it says Coca-Cola brand. So you really can't see the unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the box over here and just pull the fridge out so we can get a proper unboxing. A couple things that I've noticed about it so far that I really like is that it does have a handle on the top of the fridge so that you can carry it around. Very interesting. I don't know if maybe you would, like, say, carry this back and forth between your office and maybe outdoors, like to your patio. Not quite sure where you would take this, but I guess, like I said, if you have like a portable power supply and want to take this little fridge around, you can. Looks like you get some little vents here on the back. You get them on both sides, by the way, so that's good to know. There is the cooling system on the back. This is a pretty lightweight cooler so far. Goes from off to cold, apparently, so maybe that's implying that this thing cools down pretty quick. We'll find out. There is our 12-volt connector in the back, and here is our 120-volt connector in the back, DC and AC. Let's go ahead and flip our cooler around. Really nice, really cute, really like this. I'm digging this fridge. And yes, like I initially thought, so like I said, if you've got a motorhome or whatever and you're camping, or you've got a portable power supply that takes this plug, you should be good to go with that. And last but not least, here is our wall plug. We'll go ahead and plug in the wall adapter. It sounds like an old desktop computer that's like, it's sucking it in from the back and blowing out cool air on the sides of these vents here, throughout the sides of these vents. The plastic kind of has these scuffs on it, and it overall has some scratching on it. Really not terribly happy with the quality of this fridge. It is kind of scuffed up. It's not this really polished red. What I do like though is the fridge does have a latch, and you get a nice, pretty solid handle on the front. I believe this fridge can get down to about 32 degrees from what I was reading. So we've got some of your favorite beverages here. As you can see, I've got Miller Lite and Coca-Cola. That wasn't the best idea, putting them in front of the door, but as you can see, we can fit 2 cans up here, it looks like. By the way, you know, this cooler isn't just good for cans. I mean, you could put cheese in here, you could put chocolate in here. Like I said, it does get down to about 32 degrees, so you kind of have to, let's go ahead and actually see if we can get this shelf out. So I'll go ahead and just pull these beers out. Okay, so the fridge is getting cooler. I can feel the inside of it, but let's go ahead and see if we can pull the shelf out. And just like that, it comes right out, and I have the shelf, so you can get it in Sprite. I also saw one with Budweiser on it and Pepsi. The Pepsi was cool. It was this bluish color. The other coolers will vary in price. They're either gonna cost you, I actually picked up a really cool device at the Apple store yesterday and got a free pair of AirPods. You know, retail is starting to come back, and these retailers are offering deals. And yeah, if you are looking for a little mini fridge for your basement or for your office at your desk, or maybe if you're gonna be doing some traveling this summer in a motorhome, and you need a little mini fridge to plug in and keep drinks cool and brighten up the ambiance a little bit with a little bit of pop art, this is a great fridge to go with for $29, the Coca-Cola Classic 6-can cooler. Anyways, guys, because I picked this up at Walmart, that does make it a big box good. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.